when juxtaposition and incongruity merges into symbiosis, and this is where you get surrealism. Because surrealism might cause two incongruity to create something that's absurd, or something that we consider absurdity. So, or surrealism. This is what surrealism is. You know, Salvador Dali exemplified this. He juxtaposed the subconscious and the dream state, right? And so you have this. So you merge this incongruity, you juxtapose them, and then out when it coheses and creates what we call something that's surrealistic, right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity, right? It may not be absurdity, it might be surreal. But what's fascinating about juxtaposition of incongruity is how there's always a compatibility, and this is a fascinating phenomenon. There's always a compatibility. You juxtapose them, you find a single common denominator they share. Like one example is, and here's an absurd example, the famous surrealistic comedian Mitch Hedberg. You know, he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's a juxtaposition of incongruity. And so really, you find that incongruity and juxtaposition